According to a press release from the University of Maine Advanced Structures and Composite Center, the first 3D printed home constructed entirely out of bio-based materials was unveiled on Monday. A 600-square-foot prototype with 3D printed floors and walls, as well as a roof made of wood fibers and bioresins, makes up the new structure. Due to the precision of the printing process, the house is fully recyclable and well-insulated, and it produced minimal waste. The University of Maine is stepping up once again to demonstrate that we may overcome these significant challenges with trademark Maine ingenuity. Said Gov. Janet Mills is the author's name, and she was born in New York. Maine's Advanced Structures and Composites Center is considering constructively how we might address our housing crisis, strengthen our forest products sector, and offer individuals a secure home to live so they may contribute to our economy, says the university. Notwithstanding the fact that much more work remains to be done, today's achievement is a significant step forward, one that I was honored to help with through my Maine jobs and recovery plan and budget. I would like to thank the University of Maine and its collaborators, as well as extend my gratitude for their ongoing efforts to address these challenges with new answers. Labor shortages are currently limiting affordable, viable housing, which the technology will now help address. This new kind of home will also save time spent on on-site construction and fitting thanks to the use of automated manufacturing and off-site production. In the meantime, current supply chain issues are being addressed with the use of abundant, renewable, locally sourced wood fiber feedstock. Homeowners may also personalize their residences in the future, allowing for quicker delivery schedules while meeting their space and aesthetic needs. Through research on transformational offshore wind technology, next-generation solutions for transportation infrastructure, advanced forest products, and large-scale 3D printing, we are finding solutions here at ASCC to the pressing issues that our planet and Maine face, said Maine President Joan Farini Monday. In only half a day, the new structure was printed and put together. It took only 2 hours to install the electricity. Many technologies to 3D print homes are being developed, but most of them use concrete rather than BioHome 3D. Nonetheless, a conventionally cast concrete foundation is only printed on top of the concrete walls. The roof is completed with traditional wood framing or wood trusses, according to Dagger, executive director of the ASCC. The whole BioHome 3D, including the floors, walls, and roof, was printed instead of existing technology. BioHome 3D is fully recyclable because the biomaterials utilized are 100% recyclable. Thank you for watching.